With all of the toxicity that's been going on within the Solana ecosystem, there's been a bit of a rotation of liquidity and capital into up-and-coming ecosystems. Specifically, we'll be talking about Tau, Tbot, and To Subnets. This will be a tutorial on how to buy To Subnets. Of course, none of this is financial advice, and I don't plan on sharing any specific To Subnet. If you don't know what To Subnets are, they're the tokens within the Tau ecosystem, like Solana tokens, like ERC tokens, ERC tokens to Ethereum, Solana tokens to Solana's ecosystem. Tau has an ecosystem, but not a lot of people know about the tokens within the ecosystem. I want to show you guys how you can start your research now with some of these Tau subnets. The cool thing about Tau subnets are they are really building utility. It's not meme coins, it's not LARP devs. In order to have a Tau subnet, it costs money. And a lot of these people are serious developers about what they're working on developing. So if you like these tutorial videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithm. So the first thing you want to do is head over to bittensor.com. Make sure you're going to the official Bit Tensor website. I'll be sure to link the official website inside the description. I normally just go to the Twitter account, the official Twitter account, and then I go to the website. After that, you'll have to create you a Bit Tensor wallet. So you would just go here to connect and hit wallet. And if you're on Chrome or Web Explorer, depending on which you're on, some people are on Microsoft Edge, some people are on Chrome, you can actually add the extension to your PC or just download the app. I believe they do have the iOS app, and they should shortly have the Android app as well. So for now, I've just done it on computer. You can do it on computer or laptop. Just download your Bit Tensor wallet. Make sure that you save your keys, because once you lose your keys, you lose your wallet. What I did was I created a dummy account just to kind of like play around on the within the Bitcoin, within the Bit Tensor ecosystem. So once you got your wallet set up, what you want to do is you want to swing over to Taostats.io. Again, it's very simple to pretty much confirm these platforms, websites, whatever. I always like to go to the official Twitter here and kind of like make sure that I'm clicking on the correct links. Remember, in crypto, you always want to click on the correct links. And this is Taostats, right? So this allows you to pretty much trade your Tau subnets, within the ecosystem. So it's going to be interesting, in my opinion, to see when Tbot actually drops their their platform. But for now, a lot of people are utilizing Taostats, right? And the only thing that kind of like piqued my interest here was the fact that I thought Tbot was going to be the DEX of DEX, but for now, it seems like until they actually release the platform, people are using Taostat. So once you got your Taostat official website, you want to swing over to the website here. We'll just go back, and you can kind of like check the subnets. Now I'm still working on creating a actual strategy with finding some of these subnets, and you can see like people are buying subnets, which is cool. It can give the cool thing about this interface right here. It gives you an idea of the strongest subnets within the platform or within the Tau ecosystem. So what I like to do is I like to just hit subnet. So let's actually go check out some of the subnets here. We can check some of these subnets here, and root is of course Tau, right? So you want to just kind of like start your research from here. Some of the ones that I've been potentially interested in, because to be fair, I haven't bought any of these yet. I'm just starting my research. I like to go to Twitter and just start to research Tau subnets. What are the best Tau subnets? And these are some pretty cool ones right here, like Tayoshi, Celium Compute, Bitmine AI. I really like Bitmine AI here. Again, full transparency, I haven't bought this token. I want to make that clear. But this, for example, is they are developing the world's most advanced deep fake on detection model. So this will be able to detect whether a picture or a video or a, whatever was created by AI, so people can know, if it's real or not, so they will not get scammed. So you see how this creates value and utility for the space with all this deep fake BS going on and people using AI in the wrong fashion. Now you have a, project platform that actually, detects if a picture or video is created by AI. So that's just an example of some of the things that they are building within the Tau ecosystem. So, again, it's not that many of them where you got to go through millions of tokens like we got with this altcoin market. But if you just took 2 to 4 hours, you can probably research all of these and maybe pick 2 or 3 that you believe have the most potential, right? Now, once you find one that you like, it's very, very simple. Like I said, I've already connected my wallet. I believe I've connected my wallet, but let's check out this. Would want the platform to move a little faster. Maybe it's my internet here, but waiting for the chart. But once everything kind of like pops up here, you can actually purchase within Taostats.io and it'll go directly to your wallet. So this is just an example. Actually, let's go. I don't know how long this project been around, right? Daily. And another cool thing about the Bit Tensor projects is that they all have the same tokenomics as Bitcoin. So these projects are scarcity low cap coins. We got a platform that's allowing us to trade all scarcity tokens. I don't think people realize how massive this is, right? All it's going to take is a few of these to actually pop off. And not only will Tau token pop off, but you probably will see some insane gains with some of these projects because they have a low market cap, $5 million market cap here. So you simply just, my wallet's already connected and created, but you could simply just buy, what you want, right? Of course, you got to send some Tau from an exchange. So once you create your wallet, if you use crypto.com, you send Tau from crypto.com directly to your wallet, and then you trade on chain here. So very, very simple. This is just like buying Solana tokens. This is just like buying Ethereum tokens. You buy Tau on your exchange. You send Tau to your Tau wallet, your Bit Tensor Tau wallet. Once you got your Tau in your Bit Tensor Tau wallet, you head over to Taostats and you buy whatever token that you want to buy, and it goes directly to your wallet, right? So very, very easy, very, very simple. I think most people will like this if you own Tau, because you have to buy Tau to actually trade any of these subnet tokens. So very similar to what we've seen from very similar, to what we've seen from virtuals. What made virtuals explode? Well, you had to buy virtuals to actually trade any of the AI agent tokens. This is the same thing. A platform with all AI tokens, real AI tokens, and you can't actually trade them without holding Tau. So now you got demand for Tau, which causes the price of, Tau to appreciate. And you also got an opportunity to, in some cases, 10x your Tau if you pick the right subnet. Now, again, I want to make this very, very clear. I'm still personally working on my strategy to find good subnet tokens, so I'm not sharing anyone's. I'm actually doing research currently, right? So I don't hold any subnet tokens. I only hold Tau and Tbot. And the reason that I hold Tbot is because I'm looking for it to be the DEX of Tau. So we'll just, the DEX screener, right? Excuse me, not the DEX screener, the Uniswap, the Uniswap of Tau, right? Utilizing Tau. So we'll just have to see, which one of these pop off. Today I'll be doing a lot of research on these projects, but this is, this comment here pretty much explains it all. It says, if the most interesting projects by the teams are all being launched on Tau instead of ETH, Sol, what does this mean for Tau's valuation? Crazy, right? Just go look at some of these projects and what are they doing. Like, this is big brain type of shit. This is not like, no, I'm gonna create a meme coin, put a picture behind it, and hope people buy. This is actually people working on real stuff that can help move forward AI in a decentralized fashion, whether it's GPU computing, deep fake detection, AI trading, right? What is this? The future of decentralized AI building chutes, AI training. You got AI trading, a Bit Tensor company proudly based in Austin, Texas. What is this one? Target? What are they doing? We are... Yeah, so like I said, I'm excited about these projects. I'm currently researching this, guys, and I decided to make this video to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to buy these Tau subnets. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I don't want to get too much into the actual subnets, but again, I only hold Tau and Tbot. I want to make that clear. It's very easy. It's, you know, right now everybody is talking about the learning curve, but when there's a learning curve to something, that means you're early. So instead of like being so late on some of these other ecosystems, like DTAL just dropped, Dynamic Tau just dropped. So there's going to be hype around some of these subnets, and we haven't seen any of these subnets to run to 100 million, 200 million like we've seen from stuff like GOAT, Zerobro, AI16Z. You know what I mean? So not only do you have fresh opportunity in a fresh ecosystem, but also this could award anybody that's holding Tau, right? Because any of these projects within Tau pop off, it's only going to help the Tau price appreciate like harder, violent, like it's going to go crazy. And because Tau has such deflationary aspect to it as far as the tokenomics, and I don't want to say deflationary, let me use my words wisely, scarcity aspect to it, you know, sky's the limit. And like I said, I also like that a lot of their projects within Tau also have 21 million max supply. So a lot of scarcity. Guys, let me know what y'all think about Tau, DTAL, the ecosystem. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.